Good morning, dear parents and my dear students. Hope this podcast finds you in your great physical and mental health. As I've said that I'm going to make an impact. I'm really on this mission that if the world has come to a grinding halt due to this pandemic, why to stop inspiring our kids? Why to stop talking to the parents? So I've thought this is the best mode to interact with you. So, dear parents, as we all know that most of you are at home because of the current pandemic situation, and of course your kids are also with you. So I would want that you should take the best opportunity of this time and try to instill good habits in your kids. We know that many of you are wary or you are doubtful of sending your kids out for long, or maybe you are trying to let your kids be at home only. So why not change the situation altogether for our kids and build again a better lifestyle for them. How to build a better lifestyle? By not just offering them healthy food which would nourish their body, but also give them healthy food for their mind, so that it nourishes, it also give a strong building blocks for their mind. As we know, these days kids are already running in the competitive world, where they are getting stressed by the pressure of studies, competition with friends, and so many things. But here I have brought, and I rather have thought of bringing up this topic, which can make you and your kids relaxed amidst all these things, and it will bring transformational changes in you people if you follow it religiously. I have followed it, and that's why I am of this favor that if you apply it religiously in your daily routine, you will get great results. So this is my second mantra, which I follow every day, and I also followed during my childhood knowingly, under some other head. But let me now come to the point that the second mantra is the mantra of being grateful, showing gratitude to the things around you. So, parents, we know that we really love our kids. We really love our relatives and people around us. We love them for some or the other reason, or maybe for no reason. But these days, our kids are really in need of realizing this basic principle or concept that if they are in this life, they are because of you. And they really need to be grateful to you for everything you have done for them. It's not just you, it's just everything around them that they need to be grateful for. This is an immense feeling when they would realize that how their life has transformed into betterment because of the efforts you people are putting in. So it is, I would say, a beautiful thing that it is exchange of energies. You are providing every best effort for your kid. You are doing every best effort for your kid, and of course your kids are also doing something great for you that makes you happy. Even their minutest of action makes you happy, brings you a smile. So as a parent, you should be grateful to your child because he or she is bringing a speck of smile on your face, and they should also be grateful to you because you have done a lot to them. So my point here is that both of you together take out 5 minutes, 10 minutes of your daily routine. Every day you have to do this practice together, that what things are you grateful for in your life, and just note them down. This is I have adopting as an activity recently, and I really feel light from inside. This would also help you feeling light from inside amidst all the stress work that you are doing. This will make you more generous. This will make you more, I would say, bright soul. This would make you a more helpful soul. So in case your kids are very young, you just try to ask from them. If not right, you just ask from them, what are you grateful for today? Why should you thank this person? Why should you thank the things around you? So take note of everything that they should be thankful for, and make them realize that yes, everything, everything in the universe is helping them to be what they are. And they would get more from the universe if they are thankful for everything around them. This really works magically for every person in this world, but you need to be genuinely grateful, genuinely thankful for the things around you. So for example, you can make them write, like, I'm thankful for Papa to provide me good food. I'm thankful for Papa for being at home today. I'm thankful for Papa for bringing a smile on my face. And same applies for other people also. From people, one day it will shift to the things around you. Like, I'm thankful for these beautiful flowers around me that is adding beauty and bringing smile on my face. So that will happen gradually. But first instill the seed of making them feel grateful for what they have. This is how they will realize the importance of everything. This is the tip for the day. This is the second mantra which can instill a good value in your kids. Please do that. This is a request from my side. Try to do it and reap the benefits. Thank you. Logging off for now.